Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a folder on Zoho Books. Zoho Book is a cloud-based accounting software developed by the Zoho Corporation, and it allows businesses to manage invoices, expenses, bills and financial documents all in one place. And one of its key features is the document module, where you can store all your business files like invoice, receipts, purchase orders and contract in an organized way. So first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. And under this Zoho interface on the right hand side we can find this feature and app. Go to this Zoho Books over here. And once you get into this interface, select to this access Zoho Books below. And over here, once you get into this interface for your books, on the left hand side, we can find this documents here. Under the reports, click onto this document and select to this plus icon over here. And over here, you can add a folder name in order to add a new folder. You can also select if all users with permissions to access the documents, or you can also custom select this as well and select to this save. And that is it. This is how you can add folders in Zoho Books. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.